Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to Hello Namma Word YouTube channel. So today I came up with some new topic called how to improve your system performance. Okay. So today we'll cover what are the steps that we have to take to increase the system performance and then efficiency. Okay. So I would request you to please watch this video till end. So if you like the video, please uh, give click on like button and then subscribe my YouTube channel and then share this video who wants to who people who are using the laptop or desktop. Okay, they face if they are facing slowness in their system, so it this video will help them to increase their system performance. Okay, so let's move further and then we'll see what are the steps that we have to take or follow to increase the system performance. Okay, let's watch this video. Let's continue now. Okay, the very first thing is there are some 10 steps that I have made it 10 steps that I have written in the slide. Okay, that you if you follow such those 10 steps, okay, you will be able to increase the system performance 100%. Okay, I'm giving 100% sure. So this if you follow these 10 steps, so you it will definitely increase your system performance. Okay. Okay, let's restart. Let's first point is restart your system. So without your knowledge, okay, sometimes some memory or background processors are consuming some memory and then CPU without your knowledge. Okay, those might be unwanted. Program might be utilizing your system memory and then CPU. If you're restarting it, it will kill such kind of process and then it will also increase your system performance. Okay, that is one thing. So next thing is uninstall unnecessary programs. Like if without your knowledge, with or without your knowledge, some of the program will be installed in the system. Okay, by reviewing it in the monthly wise or weekly wise, if you feel that the specific program is not required for you, so that you can go to control panel programs and features and then select the unwanted application that you don't want to use it in your system. So go there and then uninstall the programs and then applications that you are not going to use it in the future. Okay, so then disable startup programs. Okay, there are some by default, some of the pre-installed application or installed application in your machine. Okay, whenever you restart your system, okay, when the system is coming up, these all whatever the application which is set as startup program application immediately in the I will show you how this will be setted. Okay, set. So if you disable such kind of program, so it will be like whenever you reboot, it won't the following application will be in if that is in disabled state during startup. So OS will it won't go to start such kind of applications. Okay. During startup, we can disable if you, it is a very good idea to disable such kind of application. I will show you in the practically how you can disable it. Okay, such kind of applications, like if you disable it during your system startup, those application will it won't start. It will whenever you have a requirement, you can start those applications, otherwise it won't start. Okay, so clear temporary files, like if obviously whenever you execute any program or perform any kind of task in your system, so there will be a temp and prefetch files will be get created in your system. So I will show you how to you can clear temp and the percentage temp and then prefetch files so that these files can be deleted from your machine. Okay. Sometime the next thing is malwares and then virus. Yeah, for something like if any of virus got infected your system, it will make your system become very slow. So to avoid that, uh, if we have any trusted antivirus installed in your machine in the laptop, so we can use that for scanning the your system files, so that if in case of any viruses, any suspicious file detected by this malware. So if that is detected and then deleted, then it is also chances of increasing your system performance. Okay. So then visual effect. Okay, there by default system has some performance adjustment settings. So if you set as a minimal performance setting, so it will also increase your system performance, like adjusting the best performance modes. Okay, there are some adjustments is there for increasing the system performance, which will affect for visual effects. Okay, the so if you make some adjustment in the visual effect, so it will also increase the system performance. Okay, the next thing is free up the disk space. Okay, using disk cleanup. Okay, we have a tool available in Windows machine. So if using disk cleanup tool, if you increase the space for your disk, so it will also increase the space for your system. The next is increase the virtual memory. By default, system has some default memory set which is set to automatically. So even we have an option to set this manual process. Okay, by doing this thing, we can also increase the system performance. Okay, in the practical, while showing the practical things, I will show you how to increase the RAM size to increase the better performance, your system performance. Okay. Then check for background services. As I've already told you, we will have to verify is there any services are running while you are using your laptop without your knowledge. Some unwanted program or services might be running. So we will have to go there to services and then disable such kind of service to increase the system performance. Okay. Then check your Windows update and then yeah, Windows update. Like sometime your system is running with uncompatible Windows updates, and then when Microsoft releases any updates, if you install the latest update, it may chances of increasing the system performance and bug fixes for your Windows operating system. If any Windows having any bugs or any security related things, security vulnerabilities. So if by installing the latest updates for your system, it will increase the system performance. Okay. So let's show you practically, okay, how these 10 steps can be achieved in your system. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the first slide. Okay, first restart your system. Okay, first you will have to go here, then select this option, then restart. Okay, by restarting your system, it will kill the memory and then services which are currently utilizing, so that in the after refresh restart, so that application that whatever the application that you want to open it, you can open that particular application and you can use it. The remaining unwanted process will be killed after the restarts. Okay. The next is uninstall necessary programs. Okay, press Windows R button. Okay, Windows and then R key. Uh, I will show you Windows and then R key. Run. Go to run. So otherwise, search here run. Okay, if you're unable to press Windows and R key, search run. Okay, search run. Then here you search uh, app viz appviz.cpl. Okay, this is one of the command that you can execute. Okay, press enter. It will directly show is there any applications, unwanted applications are installed. Okay, if you feel that there is any if you feel okay, this following application is not uh, no more use, so select that particular application and click on uninstall. Okay, if you by doing like this, you can remove some unwanted applications. Then by removing the application, you can increase the space in your drives, and then it will also increase the system performance by removing the unwanted processes. Okay, so this is how you have to follow for removing the unwanted applications. Okay, the next thing is disable startup programs. Okay, so how you have to disable the startup programs, like you can go to task manager. Sorry, you can go to task manager, maximize this, click on startup apps. Okay, you can see these are the application okay, which will start when my system is rebooted, or once we turned on my system. Okay, these are the application will by default will get start along with OS. So if we have this, I have already disabled and select, for example, I select this and then select the status, then you will have an option like right click and then enable. Okay, same way, since my current status, application status was disabled, so I have an option for enable. If the application status is enabled, so you will get an option to disable it. So you can disable this all the check which application you are necessary, okay, during startup. Okay, like without your knowledge this application will be get launched, okay, after your system is turned on or booted. Okay, so you can select this if you don't require any startup application um, uh, in your system. So select this options and then disable it. So by disabling unwanted application, startup application, so it will definitely increase your system performance. Okay, you can make a note of this. Yeah. The next point is clear temporary files. Okay. For example, now press against Windows R, run command, then just type temp. Okay, select all files, these temporary files, then select delete, permanent delete it, skip. Okay, then same way, percentage temp. First you deleted just temp, then now you select percentage temp, enter, then delete this all the temporary files, enter. Okay, yes, it is deleted that. Okay, next is prefetch, prefetch, prefetch. Open this. So again, you can delete these files. These are Windows temporary files. So by deleting this, it will also increase the system performance. Okay. So these are the three things that you have to delete. Okay. Next is check for malware or virus. Okay. And then scan the system files. See if anything got detected. So open this your system. Otherwise, search. In my system, I have a trusted antivirus called Windows Defender. Okay. So I have pre-installed Windows Defender software in my laptop. So I will go to virus and threat protection. So you can see here scan options. Okay, scan option. If you do, you will have a quick scan, full scan, customized scan. Okay, quick scan will be like it will scan only very limited things, your registry files and then processes, and then it will not scan entire your complete system. Okay, quick scan will take maximum 1 hour for completing quick scan, might be 130 minutes to 1 hour. But full scan, it will scan each and every processes, registry files, memory, each and everything will be scanned by full scan. Okay, it will take even including hard drive will get scanned. So this will take depends upon the how much size of the data your system has. Okay, your system you have kept. So full scan, like customized scan means which things like you can customize it. What are the things that you have to scan? Okay, that way you can customize it. Otherwise, Windows Defender Antivirus offline scan. This is one of the option like without these are the option by freely available in the Windows OS. So you can select this when antivirus is in offline, so you can scan the system files. Okay, these are the four option is available currently in my Windows version. So better you can if you feel something is infected because of virus, so you can select full scan and then perform scan now. If you click on scan now, it will scan entire files. Okay, so that after scanning, if the antivirus got detected by any of them detected and then deleted, there will be chances of getting your increasing the system performance and then memory. Okay, that is one of the best thing. Okay, if you have any trusted antivirus installed, please use the scan your full system, then remove if any virus has got detected or infected to your machine. Okay, it will be by doing the scanning, it will remove some infected files, programs, anything. Okay, so the next is disable visual effect. So disable visual effect means, as I've already told you, visual effect. The word it will show your screen, whatever the GUI the Windows team is given, the Microsoft is given. If you reduce some of the visual effect, so you can visual effect like extra graphics and then extra RAM and then extra CPU will be utilized to give some display like a better display. Okay, if you better visual effect, I can say not display, sorry, better visual effect. Okay, if you make some changes in the visual effect of your PC, so that it will also increase the system performance. Okay, I will show you how to increase the system performance by reducing the visual effect. Okay, yes, let me show you that also. Just give me a second. Yeah, let me show you that option for you people. Go to this PC. Okay, right click, properties, then advanced system settings. Then here you can, after clicking advanced system settings, so you will have an option called performance. Okay, select this performance settings. So you will have some of the option like let's window choose the what's best for your my computer. This is by default will be there. Okay, by allowing these settings enabled, so system will decide how much animation is required for visual for better performance and better visibility. Okay, to increase the system performance, okay, you can see adjust for best appearance. Okay, if you select this, some of the settings will be selected. See, previously when it is there, it is there are two save taskbar timeline previews. These two are unchecked. Okay, when you select adjust for best appearance, okay, in that case it was selected entire thing. It will for giving for better visibility for the users who are using the system. Okay, if you select adjust the best performance appearance, it will be utilizing your system and CPU, RAM, everything is high. Okay, adjust for best performance, it will disable entire animations things. Okay, after selecting this option, this we click apply, immediately your screen and then the appearance of this text style, everything will get changed. Okay, because nothing will be get impacted, but visual effect will get changed to you. Okay, to increase the system performance. And then customize, if you select custom, you can select like which you want animation controls, how it is this, it's up to you what are the options that you have to select to increase the system performance. Okay, so I will suggest you to please use the adjust for best performance. If you still want some better performance to, if you want your system performance to be get increased, okay, select this adjust for best performance. So this will increase your system performance. Okay. So the next is free up disk space. Okay. Just you can type disk cleanup. Okay, this is one of the tool where we can use it for cleaning up the temporary files. Okay, so by default, as soon as I open this tool, so I will have an option to clean up direct shared folder, download temporary internal files 7.1 G 1 MB. So the same way, recycle bin, I have option, select this, select a recycle bin. Okay, 5 MB temp files. Okay, these are the some temporary files. I can clean my system files. Even by this is some it is still cleaning up the files. So we will have like advanced option like Windows Update Cleanup and then Windows Defender Antivirus, Windows Upgrade log files. Okay, these are the files that we can delete it. For example, I will select some of the files. I don't want thumb files, temporary files, recycle bin file, device manager, device driver packages, temporary Windows Update Cleanup. Okay, clean the. Okay, I've selected all the option for clean up my disk. So this will increase the system performance, like increasing the space in your hard drive will obviously increase the system performance. Okay, this is one of the way that you can increase the system performance. Okay, so the disk, then what? Okay, free up disk, we have covered it now. The next is increase the virtual memory. Okay, so I will show you how you can increase the virtual memory of your system. Okay, the same way again you will have to go to this PC, then right click, uh, properties, then system advanced system settings, then performance, click on performance. Here you instead of this is I previously showed you how graphical interface should be looks like. Okay, now if you click advanced, okay, you will have an option called virtual memory. Okay, okay, by default, see total paging file size of all drives. Okay, is taken 1 GB of space memory. So if you are going to increase that 1 GB of memory to some standard level as per the recommendation, so it will show here minimum allowed 16 MB recommended 2899, like approximately uh, 2819 means 2 GB, approximately 2.2 GB something. So if you want to allocate this to some standard level, customized level, so you can allocate here. Okay, in as per the I mentioned, like maximum we can allow 8,000, and then sorry, minimum we can allow 8,000, and then maximum we can allow 16,000. So if we allocate the minimum and then initial size and then maximum size, okay, 8,000 and then 16,000, and then if you click OK, so this will get increase the system performance, like you are allocating some memory to process any kind of files. Okay, when you open any files and any if you open any files, so it doesn't take much time to load any kind of files in any of the drives. So we are freely allocating to the spare memory to RAM memory to process such kind of files. So it doesn't take such like use amount of time to process that file or open that file. So by making that settings change, so you can increase the system performance. Okay, so the next thing is check background services. Okay, you can go to same run command. Okay, services. Okay, just type services dot msc. Okay, so here you can see there are go. Okay, these are the running processes. Okay, see, these are the already running, and it is utilizing some space in the RAM or CPU. Okay, because of that, your system become very slow. Just identify the unwanted program which you want to disable it. Okay, sometime antivirus will consume some memory and then RAM. Okay, don't disable antivirus. Okay, because it will scanning your files, and then because of that it will be utilizing the RAM and then CPU. Except antivirus, you check any other unwanted programs that is running. So disable such service, application services, anything that you feel that it is unwanted for your system. Then by disabling that thing, so it will also increase your system memory and then CPU. Overall performance will get increased. Okay. So then check for Windows update, and then yeah, let's go to settings. So just search Windows update settings. Okay. So directly go here. So if you go to settings, then Windows Update, then check for update. Currently, my system is resumed for update. So if you check for update, so it will check for update for if any latest updates are available from the Microsoft site or Microsoft is released any updates. So by clicking this check for update, it will install the latest version of update if any if anything is available, so that by installing the latest updates, so it will also increase your system performance efficiency. Okay, all those things. Also, it will fix some vulnerabilities. So that by doing this, by performing these 10 steps, it will definitely increase your system. Okay. So hope you got hope you understand the video how you can increase your system performance by performing the steps that I showed you in the slide. Okay. So yeah, I would request you to, if you like the video, please click on like button and then subscribe my YouTube channel, and then share this video for the people who are using system and then feeling their system is slow. Okay, it will be best video for them to solve the slowness of their system problems. Okay, so hope you all liked the video. Please like and then subscribe my YouTube channel. So the upcoming video I'm planning to, as I've already in the previous video, as I've already told you. So I will be going to take a tutorial of PKI, public key infrastructure, then Telix EPO server, then X-Way SFTP, X-Way MFT, managed file transfer, and then LandCrypt Ultimaco. Okay, there are many encryption tools I have handled in my experience. So I am planning to give training session like tutorial videos. I'm planning to create a tutorial videos for all those topics. So please like my YouTube channel and then click on bell icon for my upcoming videos. Okay. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay. Thanks. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.